two-step. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take what you just learned from the helicopter. However, that swinging leg that you just utilized, you're gonna end up sitting on that particular leg, yeah? The other one, the left leg, will then shoot out. Once again, I'm going to swing. When this swings, I'm gonna naturally spin downwards. We'll sit on this right leg. Left leg will shoot out. This leg will then go straight. I will then bring it in. Right leg will go straight, and I will repeat the motion. A little quicker. Two-step.